A quick recap. We learned about modifiers and used subdivision and displacement to add extra detail to our model. It's time to learn a few other modeling techniques and modifiers. In object mode, you can take any model and after you hit Shift D, you make a copy of them. They are the same, but any edit you make after that are just for that copy. If you hit Alt plus D, the object and the copy will stay linked, meaning moving a vertex or a face in one will move in the other two. Though if you add modifiers on top, they will stay separate for each individual object. These linked objects are called instances. Just like we can copy objects, we can go into edit mode and copy faces using the Shift D command. So snap to the side view and select the bottom part of the cupcake by hitting B for box select. If the faces on the back are not selected, hit Z and select wireframe. You can switch different display settings from here. Now you see through the whole object and can select the whole bottom part of the cupcake. Hit Shift D to copy the selection and right click to leave the selection in place. That way, instead of making the wrapper of the cupcake from scratch, we just created the geometry from something that we already have to save time. Now we need to separate it on its own object by hitting the P shortcut. You can also search for the separate function. What's left is to change the displacement modifier with a solidify. Set a good amount for the thickness and we are left with doing the toppings. But that would be in the next episode. Also, if you have skipped some of the previous steps but wish to follow along from here, you can get all the project files for this tutorial series from the link in the description below. I will also be adding some bonus videos in there if anyone wants to speed up their learning process. Subscribe for more tutorials and see you in the next episode.